today. This is with regards to the Mahagathbandhan in Bihar. Amid rifts within the Mahagathbandhan over the seat sharing pact, the Rashtriya Janata Dal has announced candidates for 143 constituencies, with Tejaswi Yadav contesting from Raghopur in Vaishali district. However, 3 seats will see what they are calling a friendly contest between Congress and the RJD. This comes as the JMM has accused the RJD of misleading the party over the Bihar polls and has criticized Congress for not intervening on time. The JMM has confirmed it will now decide its own future in the alliance. The left has also accused the RJD and Congress of mismanagement, saying the rift so close to the elections will only hurt the prospects. Listen in.
हम लोगों को गुमराह किया गया, हमें डार्क में रखा गया, हमारे साथ राजनीतिक धूर्तता की गई, आरजेडी की तरफ से भी हमें विश्वासघात मिला और ऐसे माहौल में चुनाव क्या लड़ना जब अपनों ने ही धोखा दिया।
विड्रॉल के समय तक सब हल हो जाए और संपूर्ण एकता के साथ इंडिया गठबंधन चुनाव लड़े, ये हम आज भी समझते हैं कि जरूरी है और ऐसा ही होगा।
So the turmoil is not just India. The RJD's Sasaram candidate Satyendra Shah was arrested after filing his nomination in connection with the 2004 dacoity case. This comes days after Congress workers protested outside the Patna airport on the arrival of the party's Bihar chief Rajesh Ram over charges of corruption in ticket distribution. Former RJD candidate Madan Shah broke down outside RJD chief and former Bihar Chief Minister Lalu Prasad Yadav's residence. He says that RJD leader Sanjay Yadav has demanded 2.7 crores for a ticket, and when he refuses to pay, the party ticket was given to someone else. Listen.
लालू यादव हमको बोला टिकट देने के लिए, टिकट देने मधुबन विधानसभा से हैं। बाप रे बाप, 2020 में हम 2000 वोट से हमको हराया गया। लालू यादव बोले कि बहू तू लड़िए इलेक्शन। बाप रे बाप, हम मर जाएंगे। बेटा बेटी का शादी हम नहीं किए। बाप रे बहुत अन्याय। दलाल को जो टिकट दिया संजय यादव, अरे बाप, अरे बाप, 2 करोड़ 70 लाख रुपए लिया है संतोष कुशवाहा, संजय यादव लिया है। कौन तो सुनील इसका जो है ना दलाल है, इंजीनियर सुनील लिया पैसा। लालू से हम प्राण दे देंगे। हमारे गुरु है लालू जी, उनके लिए हम जानते नहीं।
All right, on that note, let me introduce my esteemed guests today. I'm joined in by Manish Bariyar, who's a spokesperson for BJP Bihar, and Mahima Singh, who's a spokesperson of the Congress party. Many thanks to you, Mahima and Manish, for joining in. Mahima, the big question right now still remains unanswered. What explains this Maha delay in the Gathbandhan, this when we are 2 weeks away from the first poll in Bihar elections? Could you please unmute yourself?
Jai Hind. Akanksha, I don't understand, why do you say delay? We have our pieces in place. Everything is happening as per schedule, as per our strategy, as per our planning. I think what is to be questioned is the NDA's position. The NDA doesn't have its flock together, so I am very sure you have much to ask of the BJP spokesperson on your show.
The NDA does not have their flock together. What explains the so-called fights which you are referring to as friendly fights as far as the Mahagathbandhan is concerned, particularly RJD and Congress, 6 of them in all? Correct me if I'm wrong.
Akanksha, this is a very unusual election. It follows immediately after our Vote Chori Yatra. Every child and every elderly man in Bihar knows of the NDA's crooked ways of contesting elections today. You're talking of our internal, you're saying that you're calling it a rift. We are calling it friendly fights. And I assure you.
What do you hope to gain from these friendly fights?
That Mahagathbandhan's strategy is intact.
When it's going to only eat into your own votes, what is friendly about such fights?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not, Akanksha. I can assure you that Mahagathbandhan is contesting very strongly. While you are in to see the biggest flip from the NDA's side, wait and watch.
Okay, so if you say that, let me quote what Chirag Paswan had to say. He's saying that, confusion over who will fight which seat is understandable, but not having a number a fortnight away from the assembly election is unheard of. That too for an alliance which claims to be the biggest alliance in the country.
You see, Akanksha, the NDA is full of parasites. And I just said to you that the biggest flip is in the kitty. It's yet to come. You just wait and watch. The NDA knows that it's hollow. It's fighting an election where it is already defeated. Mr. Amit Shah is camping in the state of Bihar. Dharmendra Pradhan is trying to meet the candidates, trying to sway them away. They are at their old gambits of horse trading. So you can understand yourself when the home minister of the country has to go and camp in the state of Bihar, what would be the state of affairs within that alliance?
When was
within
the last coordination committee meeting between when was the last coordination committee meet between RJD and the Congress party?
Akanksha, I would certainly assert.
What was the need for Tejasvi Yadav to embark on a Bihar Adhikar Yatra when he accompanied Rahul Gandhi already on a voter Adhikar Yatra? There are a lot of questions which have not been answered.
Akanksha, I do appreciate your concerns and worries about the Mahagathbandhan. You are absolutely not heeding what I am telling you. The biggest flip is yet to come. Wait and watch. That biggest flip will change the entire equation.
Okay. I think I know what one flip at least you are talking about, and I must raise that with Manish also. So Manish, I believe we are being told about the lack of a chief ministerial face in Bihar when it comes to the NDA camp. Even Amit Shah has not really shed much clarity. In fact, he's left that decision to be taken after the results are out. Why this lack of clarity on chief ministerial phase? Do you not have enough faith on Sushasan Babu now?
Good evening to you and my co-panelists as well as all the viewers. See, that Amit Shah ji was very clear when he said that we are contesting this election under the leadership of Mr. Nitish Kumar. And that's not hidden. It's been happening for the last 15, 20 years, right? But, talking about Bihar election, with due respect to Mahima ji, but with Congress I don't think it's a fair discussion because Congress is a non-issue as far as Bihar is concerned. So all the questions which you are asking, I don't think she can answer because it's not on the ground at all. It would have been better that you called a RJD person. Because Congress is not there. It's a Toot Bandhan. There is no Gadbandhan, Mahagathbandhan. It's all Toot Bandhan. So it's so hilarious. There are 243 seats in Bihar. They are contesting on 256 seats. Now that is what is this Toot Bandhan is all about. So it's very difficult for her to defend anything because it's all indefensible. There is no as such. Now I'll tell you the irony. Bihar chief. She has to now answer. Bihar chief Mr. Ram is contesting election against RJD contestant, right? So it shows that RJD is actually anti-Dalit. He is the Dalit face. Last time also Lalu Yadav said some very derogatory word for the then Congress chief. But then because Congress doesn't have any, voter base out there, they have to be always with RJD and it is on record. Okay. Somebody said from RJD that Congress would not get even 5 to 7 seats without RJD. So that is a question. So I would rather want you to, ask questions that are more relevant to this election where NDA is winning by miles this time because the mood is also in favor of NDA. The issues with Mr. Rahul Gandhi came to Bihar has been rejected by people of Bihar. This entire vote chori is not even an issue. You ask any journalist out there, nobody will talk about.
Mahima, the entire poll bugle, it began with this whole voter Adhikar Yatra embarked by Rahul Gandhi. We saw a decent show of unity between RJD and Congress. What suddenly happened? What happened to the voter Adhikar now? Not a single complaint with the Election Commission. No approaching the courts as far as the Bihar survey is concerned. How do you respond to that?
Akanksha, your reports and your narrative is very selective. Quite suits the NDA, especially.
No, you can say that, but the questions remain unanswered.
Absolutely, I understand your compulsion.
No, there are no compulsions. I just have very basic questions.
You see the vision that you're. You see, Akanksha, I do understand your compulsions, and I don't
No,
blame you for
I
that.
have
But anyway, moving
highlighted.
on
No,
from
I have
that.
highlighted the NDA.
You're showing
The
everything that is
anomalies
happening in the
or the
Mahagathbandhan.
conundrums.
You are
For
not showing
I
anything
just now
about
asked
what's
him,
happening
is
with
Nitish Kumar the
NDA.
chief
You
ministerial
are
face
not
or not?
showing.
I asked them because there's lack of clarity on the chief ministerial face. To which he's responded. Now I'd like to ask you, what happens to the entire plank of attack when it comes to the
Yes,
voter
you
Adhikar Yatra?
submit.
Why is there no
See, how many
complaint with
times?
the EC
How
or the
many?
courts?
How many? Akanksha, how many times did you reiterate the same question for me in the initial part of your show? Now, when you asked him a question and he says, "Oh well,
Because
you
we
know,
are
Amit Shah has
debating
come and said,"
Mahagathbandhan, not
and
the
you
NDA. The
agreed and you
NDA
are
has its seat sharing formula ready.
no, Akanksha,
Even if
no.
it is a
Shoot
game
the
of
messenger.
optics, they have an
Akanksha,
advantage over there.
Anyway, Akanksha, let me just come back to the main issue here. And let me just say, you would remember when Mr. Amit Shah, in the initial part of this month, after the voter Adhikar Yatra had concluded, when he went there and he was addressing a rally and he asked them, अभी राहुल बाबा आए थे और क्या करके गए थे? His own voters, his own party supporters standing there said, वोट चोरी पर यात्रा करने आए थे. And Amit Shah's, faint face, embarrassed face was for all to see.
Okay,
So
okay,
you
I'm
see,
running
the
short of
BJP
time.
has
So,
understood the ground
Manish,
looks
Manish,
like.
would you like to respond to that? Because I have to quickly go back to you.
I'm really still, always surprised, and why should I get surprised? The kind of rhetoric, the same kind of words, the spokesperson from Congress uses without any conviction. I don't know how do they really, and they have
Okay.
a habit of shooting the messenger.
Okay, so
Right. So
Mahima,
she keeps
do
talking
you
about
agree
Mr.
that
Amit Shah. She has to
JMM's
answer.
I'm running short of time, Mahima. Quickly, do you agree JMM's exit is going to cost the Mahagathbandhan, given that they have already said that they will now be re-evaluating their alliance with you guys in Jharkhand as well? This is certainly an exit which will have wider ramifications. Your thoughts?
Akanksha, JMM has pulled out purely on Sri Rahul Gandhi's persuasion. You watch out for Mr. Palturam.
Okay.
You have much to watch out for in Bihar. The whole equation is going to
Okay.
change.
Thank you
BJP
for
is going to once
thank
again
you for
backstab Mr. Nitish
Thank you
Kumar.
for very skillfully diverting this again to the NDA camp. We await the election results. Perhaps answers will be available then. With that, many thanks to you, Mahima and Manish, for joining in.